evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Walter Concrite with CBS Evening News, and we have received a very satisfactory update on the Gemini V mission currently in orbit around the Earth. As we reported yesterday, the spacecraft collided with another spacecraft known as the Rendezvous Evaluation Pod that it was attempting to rendezvous with, which means to intercept in low Earth orbit. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, as well as McDonnell Aircraft, have now confirmed that the official plan is for pilot Pete Conrad to perform an emergency EVA in an attempt to repair the damage to the spacecraft. That EVA is expected to go live in a few seconds here, and we will be showing McDonnell Aircraft's simulations of the proposed EVA. On behalf of CBS Nightly News, we do wish Pete Conrad and Gordon Cooper the best of luck in repairing their spacecraft. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has confirmed a secondary rescue plan in the event that the repair to be attempted during this EVA fails. And from what we have heard, details are scarce to prevent a public panic. However, we are very confident that this proposed secondary rescue mission plan is for the spacecraft to be flown on the next Gemini mission, Gemini 7, to perform an unmanned launch to rendezvous with the Gemini 5 spacecraft, and then Command Pilot Cooper and Pilot Conrad would use the Gemini 7 spacecraft to return to Earth, and they would ditch their damaged spacecraft in low Earth orbit. We will now be ceasing our intro and switching over to the live EVA coverage being conducted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration at the Manned Spacecraft Center in Houston. Thank you, and best of luck, Gemini 5.